Do you enjoy free TV? You don't want to pay the cable companies? Well, guess what? We were given this. Now, as you can see, got a little snow on the roof, and it's really not going to be conducive to try to get up there and do this. So we're going to put this in the attic. So stay with us. We're going to get this hooked up, and we're going to get going on. Okay, so we're going to screw it down right here. And once we get it screwed down, we're going to level it up as close as possible. And then we're going to tighten it up in the place where we want it to be at. All right, now I've got the antenna on the mount, and it calls for you to screw this on the top. So what you do is you have a screw that you take the little red cap off of, and you tighten it down. Then I'm going to tighten my mount down we're going to pull it up here about where we want it, like so. And then we're going to tighten it down some more so it stays stationary in this position. Okay, so now we've pulled the antenna wire or the coax cable all the way from inside the house to right here. Now it comes with 35 feet, so we kind of measured where we wanted it. I've got it mounted on this mount. I made sure that it was free and clear all the way around it so that as it gets used, it's automatic, and it needs to be able to move. This part moves, and you want to make for certain that there's nothing around it. Once you get the wire tightened to the back of it, you take this one and roll it up, and it connects to the back side here, and we'll take a picture and show you. There's a connection right here on it that feeds it to the motor. So stay with you, and we're going to show you what the inside looks like. So we turned the TV on now, and as you can see, a lot better clarity. Now, I'm going to show a picture or a little bit of a video to show what it looked like before we got started. It was kind of, sometimes it would, sometimes it wouldn't. But as you can see, every channel comes in nicely. So if you are wanting a free air TV, digital, for your TV, not pay the cable company, get you one of these.